Okay, and you have a solve Leetcode number 57, insert intervals, right? The amount set of intervals, if I'm say 1 and a 3, and the amount of interval 6, 9, and the amount separate interval, right? 2, 5. And I'm gonna say, for interval way, should be a better, not for shame. Say overlaps will merge overlaps, right? You know, but question no cross sign say intervals, you're sorting, or sorting according to the first element in our intervals. Into your fan say, what do you want? Almost sorting it, and you see the way she might him say two. Ebe come as in the fan we say first one here one say second one no ebe 2 because I'm sure almost sorting by way. In the second one here 2 and third one over 6. Into the a friend say the aka can come 1 near 3, right? 1 and 3. Two no the counterpart no. 2 the counterpart no 5. And a 6 the counterpart no 9. Right. Into yeah the same one say in a bay, right? But I'm say it like young primary school and draw number line. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, for first one here 1, 2, 3. The next one here 2 to 5. Last one 6 to 9. So we anyway overlap it, right? We anyway overlap it. But you see you can't we boom you compare last one and then we in the last one, right? Into no we are we anyway no. You max of we anyway. And whatever man you and this is your trans and we say in the 1 to 5 na 6 to 9. Right. Okay. Basically this is how you will solve it. But you find to say mama list or my share that way we find to say sorted list. So per se will find it maybe able to insert an element and I say per se will find a particular element in that area. There algorithm able to your friend of binary search algorithm. Into the binary search ebe share be a de way ebe share I said you are the share say no, right? Binary search any the be na share the share we are na fe the hwehwe if you are nearby my be compare way say we no eso a chain we are we no so chain we are, right? Now you find the maximum, right? But the way is what chain we are and there you be count because you need to emerge. Let's look at how you be to mature that in code, right? So yeah, sure. So first of all, if at the end say any interval be mama interval be right? So if there is if not interval return new interval, right? Into here, you have a throw algorithm for binary search. In binary search, you need the left element, which is equal to 0, and at the index of the last element. Now you have on the right, which is length of intervals minus 1. Into while left is less than or equal to right, you will find the midpoints. Midpoint is left plus right divided by 2. Into your perceive position, maybe a midpoint in one. And you say midpoint no a index no, right? Into no if intervals mid of 0 is less than interval 0. This is a new interval. New interval 0 now. The left no will now be equal to mid plus 1. We now a standard binary search algorithm. Else right is equal to mid minus 1. Right. And then intervals dot insert at the left position new interval. Okay. Into here no, this binary search algorithm now boy my idea should be or say addition. Right. Into the next thing we're going to say is here for each interval in intervals, if okay results is equal to an empty array if not results, or the last element in the results, right? The one of the last element in the results is less than interval 1 interval 0, right? If the last element here no is less than where you have to count, right? Res dot append interval, else the results of the last element is equal to the max of results of last elements, results in the last element, last one, and I say interval no, the last one. All right, if you are near returning results. Okay, so the main things you should know binary search algorithm and why the entire insert into binary search algorithm, right? Especially this part now you insert it to the left now. At some point no, left no bar be more than right, not right no so be more than left, and that integer variation it will be here. Maybe share infinity between the entity here they share left no, but just read a little bit more about it. Now you will understand the entire solver no. So, but with the binary search algorithm as here, the rest should be easy. So read a little bit about binary search algorithm and you'll be okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.